In our last video, we're looking at basic operations on fractions. And we'll first of all look at how we can carry out basic operations on fractions with denominators that have cofactors. So today, we'll be looking at how we can carry out or solve basic operations on fractions with denominators that do not have cofactors. So we'll start by taking a look at the example on the board. We'll solve the problem on the board. Here, we are asked to simplify 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3. The two denominators we have here are 4 and 3. And you will see that 4 and 3 do not have cofactors. We explained in our last video that cofactor simply means does 4 and 3 have a number that can go into them without any remainder. That is what we mean by having cofactors. And you also have to take note that 1 is not involved or is not part of the numbers we are talking about. So you see that apart from 1, there is no number that can go into 4 and 3 without a remainder. Therefore, it means that 4 and 3 do not have cofactors. So, the simple method we use here is this. Whenever denominators do not have cofactors, you simply multiply the two denominators to get your lowest common multiple. Before you can solve a question like this, you first of all have to find the lowest common multiple. And by finding the lowest common multiple, you multiply the two denominators to get your lowest common multiple. So now, our LCM is going to be 4 times 3, which will give us 12. Now, this is your LCM, 12. Then the next step, you see, how many times will 4 go into 12? 4 will go into 12 3 times. Then that 3 multiplied by the numerator 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9 minus 3 will go into 12 4 times. 4 times 2 will give us 8. We'll subtract the numerators. So that's 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 will give us 1 all over the denominator, which is 12. So we now have our answer as 1 over 12. So this is a very easy method in which we can carry out basic operations on fractions in which their denominators do not have cofactors. If you have any questions concerning our lesson today, you just drop it in the comment section. And then for more videos with value, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.